So you can see here, so this is the screw driving machine motor. Screw is here, 2 screws to lock the first part, move forward. You can see here. 2 hands, double nose. So each mode has fixture 2 holes. This is the cylinder put forward to fixture the mold part. When if you move forward, you can see you can move forward and then the screw lock it and down. So I show you the screwdriver. So two, and the screw we put here. You can see each screw. So if this is screw, we put the screw here, sorting by this machine. After sorting, the screw will pull forward here through the hole and fitting here. You can see the screw inside the hole. So air will blow it directly to the screw station and lock the plastic part here. So this one I've just introduced. The first part vibration sorting ball fitting, and the second part is the screw sorting machine. So the screw will be fitting by the holes. So screw driving will lock the 2 screws, on the first part and then fix it to the motor. So this is the second part, first part, second part, and you can see the screw motor here. So when the 2 position is finished, so let's move on the third. If you go to the corner and will be put by the cylinder forward, you put forward. And then let's move on to the third station here. This is the third vibrating ball. Oh no, this is second vibrating ball. This one first vibrating ball. This is the screw sorting fitting machine. And this is second part plastic parts vibration fitting machine. And the screw machine. So I'm going to show you more detail about this, alright? Just like the previous ball. And when the sensor here detected, when the sensor detected here, the sensor detects low, the material is empty, and this part, the whole part will running, and we're sorting the second plastic part from here. You can see it's a ring, circle 1, plastic part. This is the second bowl. To sorting the second plastic part here, you can see. So it will continue fitting the plastic parts from here. So when the motor here move on here in position, this cylinder will forward. You can see there are 2. There's here can fix here. You can see this part will be put forward and feature here, and then there's also the similar working principle from the previous part. Cylinder down, grab the cap, pick up, forward, down, and push press on the top of the motor. So just like this. I'm going to show you like this. Push up, forward, and put down on the motor. So this is the third station of the machine. You can see it's just XYZ working principle. So press the cap, pick up, forward, press down, lock, and let's move on next part, that's shielding part. So plasma has to be sealed by ultrasonic machine. You can see the ultrasonic machine here. This is the ultrasonic sealing head, and this is setting perimeter. And show you the touch screen here. Also need air because there's a motion to die down, and the ultrasonic sealing working just like this. You can see this is the second part of material here. So this ultrasonic head will die down and seal the part together. Oh, this to show the second bolt, plastic bolt here. We've sealed it by the ultrasonic system. So after sealing, this mold we put forward by the former signature here. Forward here. After sealing, this is the first sealing station, ultrasonic sealing station, to sealing the first plastic part and the second plastic part here. So after the sealing, we put forward to this part, and this cylinder will continue to put forward this mold, but deliver it to the last station. So I'm going to show you the third plastic part from here, so I can show you here. This is like the fan. It will turn and fit in the link rig. You can see this is also the third vibrating bowl here. Small part, just like the previous bowl. The first bowl, second bowl, third bowls, and after the sensor also detect here. If there is empty, the vibrating bowl will walk and continue to sorting the plastic part to the move forward here and move forward. You can see I show you details. So move forward. So it will reject some default plastic parts and move forward. And here, so after the motors in here in position, this cylinder will walk. The cylinder will push forward and fisrt, and this hand will walk in and pick up, die down, pick up, pick and up and forward and down, and then put the small part on the top of the third part, the second part. The walking flow is like this. So I can show you first cylinder is here, die down, and second cylinder grab it, and then up, and then this cylinder move forward, and then so just like this, put up, move forward, down, place on the top of the motor. So this is the third vibrating fitting bowl. 1, 2, 3, sir. So three bolts here. You can see. All the sensors can be adjusted individually from here. So after the third part placed on the top of the motor, it will be continued forward by this cylinder to push it forward here. After forward, when in position, the third part in position here will be by the fourth plastic part cover. I'll show you more detail with this, but this is the four vibration sorting bolts.